3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover with tattooed. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking! Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm already so excited to show you this today. Are you ready to see this? I just did another blow your mind pink food cooking. Okay, so here I have my favorite pink Barbie lunchbox. I made ta-da! Pink sandwiches today! Wow! So in my another pink food cooking video, remember I did pink bread. So I did pink sandwiches with this pink bread. It looks so cute and also looks really tasty. Because you know me, I'm super foodie. I love food. It's super cute. I almost don't want to eat it. But first, I want to show you how I made this. And let me try this later. So hope you enjoy watching this cooking video. It's super awesome. You cannot miss it. So let's start. So let's make some pink sandwiches today. I have the sliced bread I made in another video. I have pink bread here. Today I'm making one savory sandwich and one dessert sandwich. So first of all, I'm starting with dessert one. We need to whip cream. And while I'm whipping the cream, actually I'm boiling some eggs. I'm a multitasker, so I usually do a couple things at the same time. Let's beat it. Instead of putting some sugar, today I'm putting this raspberry jam. It also adds some flavor. Okay, looking good. One drop of food color. I think that's a good pink. This time I don't want to do too dark pink. Yeah, pastel pink is good. And prepare some strawberries. Try to pick the similar size. These 3. Have 1 piece of bread. And put first layer of cream. Oops, I put too much. Okay. And place the strawberries like this way. Like this. I also put one here and here. Now you put more cream. Maybe that's good, I think. I'm not sure. And now put another piece of bread over it. And press, not too hard. And while I'm making another savory sandwich, I want to put it into the fridge a little bit. Yeah, let's keep in the fridge. Now let's work on savory one. Microwave safe cup. And put the shredded mozzarella cheese. Like this much. And put into microwave. Oops, I did too much. Hope it's fine. So I'm adding some wheat powder here. And then mix. Remember, I made pink cheese before when I did cheeseburger, pink cheeseburger. And that time, my cheese was too dark pink. Almost like fuchsia, and I didn't love it. But this time, I think I'm making pretty cute pink because I learned last time. And now have wax paper and I need to spread. And also I think last time I was trying to make really nice square, but I just thought maybe I can just make some rectangle shape and I can cut off the edges. Looking good! Getting better with this. Haha. So now with this method, pink sliced cheese is done. Okay, like this. Rectangle is fine. I can cut later. Okay, and put this into fridge a little bit. Okay, so here I have 2 boiled eggs and I will cut it. First, I'm making pink egg salad. I'm also using this pink pickles that I made the other day. So pink! And cut these as well. Okay, looking good. So adding this pink pickled onion into eggs, wheat powder, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise. And let's see how the color goes. If it was not pink enough, I might add a little more wheat powder. Looking good! And this time my egg salad is even more tasty than usual because I put pickled onion today. Okay, it looks good. Okay, perfect. And then here, my cheese is ready and we need to cut it. Let's do 2 pieces. I think, you know what? Oops, a little sticky on. Should be fine. Should I put it back to fridge a little bit? Maybe I can put it back to fridge longer. Here, I have bread. You could toast the bread if you want. Yeah, you don't have to. Some butter on the bread. Put cheese first. I just put 2. And now put in this egg salad. Pink egg salad. Adding a lot. And then today I'm using this ham. 3 of them, 3 pieces. It's good. 4 isn't too much, I think. I'm pressing it with another piece of bread. I'm pressing but not too much. From this side it looks already cute. I want to show you. Wow, wow, wow. Cutest. But I want to cut it today. Here, it's a nervous bird. I'm gonna cut her. And I want to see the slice, the surface. Okay, I'm good. Don't fall, don't fall. Yes. Okay, I reached the bottom. Let's see. Are you ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, the cutest sandwich. Oh my gosh. Wow. I did it. I really did it. This is the cutest. Wow. Okay, let's put on the plate. Maybe on Barbie plate this time. So far it's perfect. And I will also show you the dessert. Let's check the strawberry one. I already did the savory one, so even if I failed this one, I won't be that disappointed. Okay, and cut in half. Ready to see it? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. 3, 2, 1. Ah! How cute! Okay, I need to wipe off a little bit, but so cute. So cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. Let me put on the plate. Ta-da! So I did two different kinds. One is savory, ham and cheese with onion egg salad, and the other one is dessert, sweet one, is strawberries with raspberry whipped cream. Oh my god. Let me try this. Yeah, I wanna eat, but I don't wanna eat. It's too cute to eat. Have you ever seen these cute sandwiches before? I haven't, never. It's literally the perfect content for my pink Barbie lunchbox with this Barbie paper napkin. Okay, so first I'm gonna try the savory one. せーの、いただきます。How could it fail, you know? So good. I really feel like my pink food cooking skill is getting better and better. Don't you think? Compared to like 2 years ago? I mean, I have more ideas for making them pink. I wanna finish this, but let me try the dessert one first, just for one bite. Thank you. Actually, the fruit sandwiches are really popular in Japan. Yeah, and the whipped cream with strawberry is maybe the most popular one. It's not just cute, but super yummy. So good. Phenomenal. Today I did the raspberry cream, so it's more flavorful. The best lunchtime ever. I'm proud of me that I put pink pickled onion with egg. This is so good. So happy. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day.